What's up, everybody? Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to go over how to make a line graph, and we'll do it easy. Definitely a lot quicker than I would have thought it was when I first started out in this. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, bottom right hand corner there, let's get into it. So we've got our data here. We have a year and the points. We want to present this in some way, throw in a PowerPoint slide, whatever we have to do. All we're going to do, select the data we want first. I want to see the points. That's what needs to be on this graph. Insert. Then you'll go right here to this line icon, drop down. They're going to give you a bunch of options here. You can pick whatever you want. I prefer this one usually, the 2D line. So you go there. Hey, great. We have our data. That's it. But we have to get the years in here. We want them somewhere along this. We want to make it pretty. We want to do it in a fairly quick and efficient way. So we've probably spent maybe 10 seconds doing the line graph. Then we'll go here. We want to change these. So you click them. The box appears around it. And then you'll hit Select Data. And right here, that's the horizontal category. So the axis labels. And it's going to be the x-axis right here. That's this. Hit Edit. Then you just select the ones you want. Hit OK. And you see, it's coming together. This one, we also want it labeled though. What's the whole thing going to be called? Edit. Series name. Team points. And it throws it right in the top there. So we've got our line graph, but we want to spruce it up a little bit. All we're going to do is on this same thing, when you click anywhere within this chart, you see that there's nothing here, there's just these normal tabs. Click on the chart, chart design, and format pop up. Then you'll go right here to chart design, just hit this drop down. If you like any of these, you can pick them, slide over, it'll show you a sample. That one's good. Then we go, I like this one actually, I like the neon. So we'll take a look at this. How do we want this to work? Well, maybe we need to add some data points. We don't want these to just be lines on here showing a trend. Maybe we want to see something like, oh gosh, I don't know. Maybe we want data points. Click on the line. You'll see that these dots show up on the observations. Then you right click, add data labels. There it is. Maybe we want them formatted. Just right here, right click, format data labels. Seen a trend? And we can pick the label position. I'm going to pick above. Oh, and that looks good for the most part, except these are a little crowded. So if you click on, well, you click on your data, you'll get all of them. If you want to move a certain one, click that one. Then on the outside here, just drag it, drag it. This one we can do right there. And then, seeing if you grab the wrong thing, just do that. You can hit Control-Z, undo, and it'll recenter. And then drag right here, drag right here. There you go. You practice that a few times, you're going to have this thing down. It's going to take you maybe 30 seconds to pop out something that looks a lot better than what used to take most of us, myself included, over an hour. I mean, I remember those days. It wasn't pretty. But here I am, mullet and all. Alright, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.